The General Secretary of the Jamaica Labour Party has vowed to visit sections of central Kingston to gauge the political tension following a video of the Member of Parliament, Donovan Williams, painting a sidewalk green. The Office of the Political Ombudsman has given the MP until Sunday to repaint the sidewalks in the standard yellow or white. Our reporter Jamila Maitland visited the community where we found out that the situation is much deeper than the 41-second video.
A video of Central Kingston's Member of Parliament Donovan Williams painting a section of Gold Street in his constituency green has gone viral on social media. This has prompted a response from political ombudsman Donna Parchment Brown, who's demanding that the area be repainted. In a release, she said the MP's action was in breach of the political code of conduct, which includes willfully damaging and defacing public spaces. Additionally, the letter said his actions could increase political tension in the space. When our news team visited Tel Aviv in central Kingston, green and orange paraphernalia plastered the community. It's as if residents are bracing for an election.
Here at the intersection of Gold Street and Law Street, the green and white sidewalks and bright orange banners are evidence of the contrasting political situation in the community. Now, residents told us that areas that were recently painted green and white have been repainted by homeowners in plain white in protest of the situation.
The residents revealed that several sidewalks have been painted green and white since December last year. Some sections were repainted last weekend as part of the government-funded Christmas Work program. The area in question was painted yellow by a resident. It's understood that the video being circulated is of the MP repainting that area shortly afterwards. We put the issue to Jamaica Labour Party General Secretary Dr. Horace Chang.
She have the privilege to do that, and the MP should cooperate to them, but I don't see it as a big issue. Look, the Germans have, you know what the German government called? The Jamaica party, they choose the color black, green, and gold of the parties to symbolize the coming. That's their democracy. That's where ours is green and orange. So I don't say I should be ashamed of it any time. If it is a source of conflict, I must do the conflict, not the colors.
For decades, Central Kingston has been a People's National Party stronghold. That changed after the 2020 general election. Residents told us that part of the year-long gun violence in Tel Aviv is politically motivated. The area is one of 5 police divisions declared as a state of public emergency recently. And while the SOE has expired, our cameras observed a strong police presence in the area. Dr. Chang, who's Minister of National Security, says if needs be, he will visit the community to gauge the situation.
If there's conflict, there's a different problem. We're not going to solve the problem and remove the paint. We need to get in there and make sure people can talk with each other, live with each other, and don't kill each other. I will be happy to go down there with MP Williams and seek to resolve it. If it's into somebody Duncan himself, but the colours are our party colours, and I'm proud of them.
Jamila Maitland, TVJ News.